I'm with Carl Boffman. You're a traffic engineer for the City of Franklin.
Correct.
And specifically which office?
In the engineering department.
In the engineering department, and then we're standing in the Traffic Operations Center,
Correct.
right?
We have a central traffic signal monitoring and timing system right here. We do linkage with about half of the signals in Franklin now, directly from here.
Okay.
And we can modify the timings directly from here.
How long is a traffic cycle?
Well, the traffic cycle, it's one rotation of all the movements at the intersection.
Okay.
It varies according to the type of street, how busy or how wide the street is. But typically in the range of 60 seconds to 120 seconds.
Okay.
For all the rotation of all the movements.
Okay. So how does the City of Franklin determine where stop signs are placed?
Well, there's actually a national manual that guides that decision making. And so it begins by collecting data, traffic volume data, typically. And then we apply the guidelines in the national manual. And it helps us identify whether we need maybe a two-way stop or a four-way stop. Or, under special conditions, a traffic signal might be warranted.
Carl, what about speed limits in the City of Franklin? Do you set those, or this office set those?
Well, speed limit designations are recommended by the engineering department based on studies. The staff will prepare a recommendation and then forward it to the city engineer, who works with a subcommittee of the Board of Mayor and Aldermen.
Okay.
And then ultimately, if approved by the Board of Mayor and Aldermen, it becomes law. And that's because an ordinance is needed to establish a regulation that is enforceable by the police department.
Right. Carl, can you tell us, in the City of Franklin, the intersection locations with the highest number of crashes?
Yes, those would be Cool Springs Boulevard at Mallory Lane. And also Murfreesboro Road at I-65 at the two ramp junctions.
Northbound and
southbound.
southbound. Thanks, Carl. Carl Boffman, City Engineer for the City of Franklin and the Traffic Operations Center. Thank you, Carl.
You're welcome, Sharon. Good to be with you.